Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to change the status for the Kuwait mobile ID vaccination status. So just let it load. So first of all you have to make account, and after making the account you will see the screen like this, and then you have to log in. You can enter your PIN or you can log in through biometric verification. So I will log in here. Once you log in you will see your details like this, and for now you can see it's written vaccinated first dose only for my COVID-19 vaccine status. So actually I got second vaccination dose, but it's not updating here. So I will show you how you can update the status. To change the status you need to click on this orange icon. So once you click this orange icon you will see the details for the certificate ID and vaccine status, and you can see here second dose, it's not showing the update. So you can see here one refresh icon in the corner, right corner. So once I will click here it will update the status for second dose. You can see here now second dose is coming. So now if I see the color for the icon is changed from orange to green. So even after the first dose, if you are not getting this first dose only status, you can refresh it and it will come, and after second dose also you need to refresh and it will show you the details. So now you can see here on the screen also it's showing vaccinated. So this was the hidden method to how to you can change the status in your Kuwait mobile ID. I hope you find this video helpful. So guys, you can always subscribe to my channel for similar videos. See you in the next video.